Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In the next few minutes I will show you how to use BlueHost WordPress hosting to create and set up a WordPress website in no time. I'm going to show you how to install themes, add posts, add pages. If you want to follow with me as I go with this tutorial, there's a link in the description where you can click and follow with me step by step. So first thing you do is you go to BlueHost website and on the menu you click on WordPress hosting. Great, now on this page you're gonna scroll down to the plans and here you're presented with three plans: Basic, Plus and Choice Plus. You can choose the plan you want to go with and just click on select. In this case we're going to go with the basic plan, so I'm gonna click on select here. Now BlueHost gives me the choice to integrate my own domain name and use BlueHost hosting, or I can create a brand new domain name right here. So here we're going to type in the domain name that we want and we're going to click next. In my case, I'm going to create a website about smartphones and stuff like that. So I'm going to go with something like Digi Smartphone. Now just going to click on next. Great, now BlueHost informs me that the domain name I want is available, so I can go ahead and claim it. And to do that, just fill in this form and just click on submit. So here you add in your account information, your first name, last name to create a new account with BlueHost. This is the package information. You can go with a 36-month price at first, or you can just opt in for a 12-month price and then renew when the 12 months are up. Here you can select package extras if you want to. There are 3 packages selected by default, but if you don't want one of these packages, you can just unselect it and its price will be automatically deducted from the total price. So I'm going to unselect these, turn it off, and as you can see now the total price is $71.40. That's it. Just add in your payment information, check this box and click on submit. Great, after submitting your form you're going to get this welcome page that says just welcome to BlueHost. And then the next step is to confirm your email address. So go right ahead to your email address. Now in your inbox you're going to find a message like this. So just click on verify your email to verify your email and you will be redirected back again to BlueHost website. Now go back to the welcome page you were sent to and click on create your password. Here just type in a password of your choice, check this box and click on next. Next you're redirected to a page that has a list of themes to choose from. We're not going to choose a theme right now. We're going to just go ahead and go to the bottom of the page and click on skip this step. We're going to add a theme later. And finally, you're redirected to the BlueHost dashboard. The only thing we're going to do here is just click on login to WordPress, and then we're going to do all the work right from the WordPress dashboard. Just as a quick reminder, there's a link in the description. If you want to follow with me on step by step on WordPress, you can click that link and follow with me as I go with this tutorial. Great, now that everything is set up, you will be automatically redirected to the WordPress dashboard. This is the dashboard where you will spend most of your time adding posts, adding pages, customizing your website, and adding content as you go. So for the remainder of this video, I'm going to show you how to add posts, add pages, customize the theme, and tweak a little bit in the settings, and so on and so forth. So the first thing we're going to do is check in our website. To check in your website, you're going to go to the title of your website and click on Visit Site and open in a new tab if you want to. And this is the content of our website. So this content is automatically added when you create your website for the first time. You can of course delete this content, you can customize it, you can delete this content, add your own content, but instead of having a completely empty website, so WordPress comes with some sample pages, a sample post that says just hello world, etc. So I'm going to close this, and the first thing we're going to do is choose a different theme. So to choose a theme, go to appearance and click on themes. As you can see, I have just one theme installed, which is called 2020, which is the official theme made by the WordPress team. Of course, you can change to any other theme, and to do that, just click on add new here. And from this list, you can choose any theme you want. So in this list, this is the featured list, and it contains 15 themes. If you want a larger pool to choose from, just click on popular over here. And here you can see you have over 4,000 themes to choose from. If you want even more options, you can click on latest here and you get about 7,500 themes from this list to choose from. So there are a lot of themes to choose from. You can pick the one that closely matches your intentions and your content. But for the purpose of our tutorial, we're going to go with a theme called Suits, and I'm going to look it up here. Now, just as a reminder, there is a link in the description where you can click and follow with me step by step as I go with the remainder of this tutorial. And this is the theme that we're going to go with for this tutorial. So to install a theme, just click on install here. And we have to wait for it to install and then activate it. Great, now that it's installed, we have to activate it. And to do that, just click on activate. Great, as you can see, the Suits theme is installed and activated. The 2020 is automatic deactivated. If you want to activate this theme again, just click on activate. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to change any other content, posts, pages. Just you can switch anytime between themes and the style will automatically update itself. So now that we have the theme installed, we're going to go back to the dashboard. Now we're going to check back again to see the new theme. Great, so this is our title of our website, and this is the first post. So posts that you add are going to be added here, and by default, when you first go into your website, you see the posts page. Of course, you can change that if you want to show another page that you have set in the pages section. And I'm going to show you how to do that later. And for now, we're going to customize our theme. And to do that, just go to Appearance and click on Customize. So to customize your theme, WordPress gives you a lot of options related to the theme that you have installed. You can change any option if you want to right from these list of options. So the first thing we're going to change is the header image right here. We're going to click here, and here I'm going to click Add New Image. In here, all you have to do is drop the files to upload or select files. I'm going to go with the first option, and I'm going to drag and drop the header image right here. And this is the image I'm going to use as the header of my theme. So just click on select and crop. Now the header of the theme, as you can see, is a little bit narrow, so I have to crop this image so that it matches the area given to the header. So I'm going to go with the center and just click on crop image. As you can see, the background image for the header is automatically changed. I'm going to go back to the list of options, and I'm going to click on colors here, and I'm going to click on header text color. I can choose any other text color for the header. As you can see, the colors automatically change as I change it, and I think I'm going to go with white. It's better than black in this case, so I'm going to go with white and just click here. And for the background, you can also do the same for the background of the body of the page. I'm not going to choose a background. I'm going to leave it empty. I'm going to leave it blank. And I'm going to click on Publish. Going back to the list of options, you can choose other options. If you like the changes you've made, you can click on Publish. If you don't like, just go back by clicking here. And the options you've chosen are automatically cancelled. So I've already clicked Publish, so the changes I've made are permanent. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard by clicking on this button. And here we're back to our dashboard. Now let's check back again the content of our website. So just click Visit Site. And as you can see, the changes are live, which is great. But the content of our website is still empty. As you can see, there's just the sample page added by default, the Hello World post. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add in other posts. And to do that, just go back to your dashboard and click on Posts right here. And this is the sample post, the Hello World post. I can trash it, I can delete it if I want. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to click on Add New to add in a new post. And this is the new post editor. Here you type in your title, and here you start adding blocks of your post. Now a block is just a section of your post. It can be a text, it can be an image. So you can choose the type of block you want to add and click on it, and it'll be automatically added. So I'm going to just add a paragraph here, and here I'm going to add the title. So here I'm going to add, for example, a new post that says, for example, best smartphones of 2019. And here I'm just going to paste some sample paragraphs just to show you how it's done. So this is the first paragraph, this is second paragraph, third, and so on and so forth. You can add in an image in between if you want to, and to do that, just come to the space and just click on add block, and I'm going to add an image. In here, I'm just going to drag and drop the image I want and wait for it to upload. You can write a caption, for example, smartphones, and wait for it to upload. Great, now this is the contents of our post. We have a few paragraphs and an image and the title. And before we publish this post, I'm going to add a featured image. Adding a featured image is very important because this is the image that is going to be shown in the homepage. So I'm just going to go with the same image that I've used for the content of our post, and I'm going to click here on publish. Publish immediately. Great to see the post. Just go to your website, click on visit site, and this is the post added to our homepage. As you can see, the whole post shown here, but this is the homepage, so all posts are going to be shown on top of each other. If you want to see just one post, just click on the title and you're automatically redirected to the post page. And this is the post we've added with the featured image and the image that we added. In between, we used the same image in this case. So as you can see, it's the same image. And here you can see the sample page. This is the page that's added by default. So I'm going to show you next is how to add in other pages to your website. I'm going to add a new page here and add it to the menu. I'm going to go to the pages section. And as you can see, we have two pages here. I'm going to add in another page, and we're going to add this privacy policy and the new page to the menu of the pages, as you can see on the home page. To do that, just click on add new here, and the title of this page, I'm going to go, for example, with about us, and for the text also I'm going to go with about us just as a demo, and I'm going to click on publish here. Great, now checking back again, as you can see, it's automatically added. Now, as you can see here, this is the title of our website, but the tagline still says just another WordPress site. And to edit that, we have to go to our settings and change the tagline. And this is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to close this, and on the dashboard, you're going to go to settings, general, and here you can change the tagline of your website. This is the site title. You can change it as well if you want to. And this is the tagline. So this is sort of like a headline. So here we're going to type the best smartphone in one place, for example, and then we go to the bottom of the page and click on save changes, and that's how you change the tagline. We're gonna go back to our website and check the changes. As you can see here, this is the title, and now the tagline basically changed. So this concludes our tutorial, and in this tutorial we have seen how to create a new theme, how to customize a new theme, how to add in posts and with the new post editor, and how to add in pages, and also how to tweak some of the settings to change the title and the tagline of our website. Now that we've reached the end of our tutorial, if you feel like going over the tutorial again, there's a link in the description where you can click and follow with it step by step. So this concludes our tutorial. I hope this has been informative for you, and I thank you so much for viewing.